Hello, viewers. Welcome to another day from Food Gist, Sonia's Kitchen. And today I'm going to be making my simple garden egg sauce. I'll be using garden eggs, one titus fish, blended pepper and onion. I have dried prawns. I have blended crayfish, vegetable oil, powder seasoning, salt, and chopped curry leaves. Let's go cook. First of all, I'm going to be cutting the garden eggs into small cubes. And now the last garden egg goes in. And now the oil is hot. The garden egg. We're going to add the salt and seasoning. The fish, the dried prawns, and then let it cook until the water dries up. As you can see, the garden egg is almost dried up from the water I used in blending the pepper and onion. So I'm adding the crayfish. I'll be careful so the fish won't break. Of course, you can slice your onion, pepper, and tomatoes to give it some water for it to cook. But in this case, I only blended onion and pepper. So you can slice your onion, pepper, and tomatoes. Slice your garden eggs and then fry. You can choose to use palm oil or vegetable oil, whichever you choose is fine. But in this case, I chose vegetable oil. So I'm going to reduce the heat and let it dry gradually so it won't burn under. Now I won't cover, I'll just allow it be. Now I'm going to add the curry leaves. Now I'm using just about six curry leaves. I don't want it overwhelming the garden egg sauce. I'm taking the taste of the garden egg sauce away. So I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes and then our garden egg sauce is ready. What do you love to eat your garden egg sauce with? Let me know by subscribing to my YouTube channel, Food Gist from Sonia's Kitchen. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and keep watching. Thank you.